Hello friend, today I will discuss about the type of examination which is very important question in the BA and B.ed examination. Classification on the basis of type of the questions. Examination may be classified on the basis of type of the questions, that is essay type, objective type and oral type. Type of examination on the basis of question: essay type, objective type and oral type. Type of essay, type of examination: long answer type, short answer type, very short answer type. Type of objective test: classification type, competition type, matching type, multi-purpose type, true correct type, false incorrect type, short recall type, base answer type. Essay type of examination. I will discuss about the definition of essay test, classification of essay questions, merit of essay test, limitation and demerits of essay tests. Definition of essay test. Essay tests have a long history that dates back to more than 4,000 years. W.E. Kaufman, in an article entitled Essay Examination, published in a book, Educational Measurement, 1971. Edited by R.L. Thorndike, observes that essay tests were in use earlier than 2300 BC. Until the turn of the 12th century, they were almost the only form of written examination. Classification of essay questions. According to Norman E. Goudsman, 1985, essay questions may be subdivided into two broad types: extended response and restricted response. Merits of essay type test. Number 1. Abilities like logical thinking, critical reasoning and systematic presentation, etc. can be best evaluated by the essay type of tests. Number 2. They provide an opportunity to the student to show their originality of thought as they are permitted freedom of response. Number 3. They help to develop good study habits such as preparing outline and summaries, organizing arguments for and against a topic. Number 4. They provide opportunities to a student to develop abilities such as to organize ideas effectively, to criticize or justify a statement, and to interpret, etc. Number 5. They can be successfully employed for the evaluating the performance of the student in all the school subjects. Number 6. It is relatively easier to prepare an essay type than to prepare an objective type test. Number 7. It is relatively easier to administer an essay type test. Number 8. It takes relatively lesser time to mark an essay type test. Number 9. Guessing is eliminated to some extent. Number 10. The students cannot guess the answer because they have to supply it. Number 11. They have examinees' freedom to respond with broad limits. Limitation or demerits of essay test. Number 1. They generally stress the lengthy enumeration of memorized fact. Number 2. They have limited content validity because only a sample of questions can be asked in an essay type test. Number 3. They are difficult to scan objectively because the examinees have wide freedom of expression. Number 4. There is a lack of consistency in judgment even among the competent examiner. Number 5. They have Hale effect, which implies that the examiners in evaluating one characteristics is influenced by another characteristics. A well-balanced student on account of his behavior may get more marks. Number 6. They have question-to-question carry effect. A student who gives the best answer in the beginning of the answer book likely to get more marks in the subsequent question and vice versa. Number 7. They have examinee-to-examinee carry effect, which means that a particular student may get marks not only on the basis of what he was written but also on the basis of the answer of the previous student. Number 8. The examiner may have influenced by the language of the examinees the quality of handwriting and the examinees may also influence the examiners. The length of the answers rather depth of the content may also influence marking. Number 9. Some examiners are too liberal in marking and some too strict. Number 10. Sometimes it is said that mood of examiners also influence marking. Immediate happy events in the family or the job may motivate the examiners to be more generous. A quarrel of family may lead to the award of low marks. Number 11. Essay type of test may not provide a true picture of comprehension level of the examinee. Some students cram answer and write the same in the examination and get good marks. Number 12. They have time consuming both for examiner and examinee. Number 13. The speed of writing may influence the performance of the students. Students who are slow in writing may not be able to provide answer to all questions in the limited timetable allotted for the papers. This results in low scores although the student may be knowing the correct answer of the all questions.